Hey, Cheryl.
Hey.
What we doing?
Getting ready to go on another trip.
Going on a cruise?
Nope.
All inclusive?
Nope.
Going to the airport?
Nope.
Where we at?
We're just going to hang out for a couple days.
Where we going?
Going to Charleston.
Charleston, South Carolina. It's a very special weekend. It's Friday.
Yep.
Yes. Friday, July 26th.
Yep.
So what's happening this weekend?
Just a little birthday trip.
My birthday's in April, baby.
We ain't talking about you.
Oh, then why are we talking then? It ain't about me.
It ain't always about you.
It's Cheryl's birthday weekend.
Yep.
She's joining the...
Don't be telling my business.
I ain't tell your age.
Don't be telling my business.
You can get Medicare.
Stupid.
That's all I'm gonna say. She can get Medicare. So we're gonna see if we can get her to party a little bit. Ooh, it got dark out here. Getting ready to storm. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for highlights from Charleston, South Carolina. We have no agenda. We don't know what we're gonna do. Wait, dang, it got dark. I started to call somebody's name, say he must have walked up because it got dark. But anyway, you so wrong. Y'all stay tuned for highlights from Charleston, South Carolina. Peace out.
Bye, y'all.
Y'all get ready to tell Cheryl happy birthday. Happy birthday in advance, baby. Her birthday is Sunday, the 28th of July. Y'all stay tuned. Peace out.
Bye, y'all.
It's your birthday weekend. I ain't saying nothing.
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture. I thought you were taking a picture. I don't know what to say.
It's our first full day down here in Charleston. It is the 27th.
My birthday tomorrow, y'all.
The day before Cheryl's birthday. Birthday Eve.
Down here on just having a quick getaway from my birthday. It's my birthday.
What we gonna do?
Whatever.
First, we're gonna hop on this free shuttle. They got free shuttles to different parts of town. So we're gonna take the free shuttle right outside of the hotel, which you see in the background is the Hampton by Hilton. And we're gonna go over to the International African American Museum.
Yep.
Because the times before I wanted to go, it was closed. So today we finally gonna go. So y'all stay tuned for more highlights from Charleston.
Bye, y'all.
Cheryl's pre-birthday weekend. Peace out, y'all.
Bye.
I got up on my own, baby. You see me?
You see me how much?
I saw the same thing. I got up like a big boy. I'm so proud of myself. All right, so we hopped on the 210 bus, and it goes over to the, eventually, by the aquarium and the International African American Museum. We're definitely going to the museum.
So everybody back there going to the aquarium first?
The aquarium is a maybe.
No?
Museum.
Going to the museum? All right, all right.
Where we going with those?
Alright, we tried the museum. We didn't get in. It sold out.
Sold out.
Several big groups here today. We'll try again tomorrow. We tried it online, but it said you couldn't order online, which was false, we found out. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for highlights from Charleston, South Carolina. Who knows what we're going to do? We might just go get drunk.
Y'all, he always talking about getting drunk.
Well, I will go get some drinks. I might not get drunk. Anyway, Cheryl's birthday weekend continues. Charleston, South Carolina. Y'all stay tuned for highlights. Next time this should maybe be you.
That's right.
Peace out.
Bye, y'all.
Peace. Oh, well, that's the aquarium. So, we could want it. We won't really.
6 hours later.
All right, we couldn't decide what to eat down here in Charleston, so we ordered through Uber Eats. We ordered some food from DEEZEyez Soul Food down here in Charleston for Cheryl for her birthday weekend.
It's pretty good too. Got some meatloaf, some collard greens, mac and cheese, cabbage, some scripts, and some
Barbecue ribs. Mm-hmm.
And I don't have a complaint about any of it.
At all.
All of it's good.
It's good. I tasted it. It's good. So anyway, DEEZEyez Soul Food, Charleston, South Carolina. Y'all stay tuned for more highlights from Cheryl's birthday weekend, Charleston, South Carolina. Peace out.
Bye, y'all. Gotta get back to eating.
That's right.